Hi, this is Egan Total Parts Boss. Today we have a 2017 Volkswagen Amarok, stock number 6539. This ran from the 10th 2010 to the 9th 2022. It has a CNEA 2-litre twin-turbo diesel engine, backed by a 6-speed manual transmission. This is the CNEA 2-litre twin-turbo diesel engine. Left front door, no dents. Left rear door, no dents. Left rear 17-inch 50mm tyre. Left rear taillight. Rear tailgate, no dents. Right rear taillight. Right rear 17-inch 50mm tyre. Right front door, no dents. Right front door mirror. Right front guard, no dents. Right front 17-inch 50mm tyre. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Manual gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Factory single stack stereo. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel. Instrument cluster.